Hey guys, Sasha with FordRetrofit.com. Today I want to show you a little bit more about the APIM programming. You already saw on the web page that I can activate the navigation, but I got some questions from people. Is there other stuff you can do with it? And especially to retrofit some functions, the APIM is the key part to it. So let's take the heated steering wheel, for example. You cannot retrofit this if you can't change the configuration on the APIM, because there are no buttons to activate this. There's no physical button, there's no button here. It's all software based. So if you don't have that, there is no way that you ever get this function. So if you can see, when I go in here, I only have the heated seats. There is no heated steering wheel, there's no cooled seats. It's just the standard features from the SEL or Limited when they don't have an additional package. So what I'm now gonna do on my laptop here is to change the configuration of the module, which you cannot do with Ford OEM diagnostic. Like the official IDS is not able to change this configuration. It's simply not designed to do so. So now I am done. All I have to do, as always, is to perform a master reset of the system, which will take a little bit, but that's not gonna be an issue, I hope. Alright, so system will go into reset now. And after that, we should see some different behavior. And in the meantime, let me just explain a little bit more about it. So again, this application or this module is necessary for a lot of functions. So let's take this heated steering wheel again as an example. When you push the actual function on the display, the APIM will create a message, a network message on the CAN bus, which is the communication bus inside the vehicle. So all the modules are communicating through this bus. There are other bus systems in cars. There are LIN buses, MOST buses, but for the most part we talk about CAN bus here. There are different speeds of buses, systems. So there's mid-speed, there's high-speed CAN, there's low-speed. So in this case, it sends the CAN message through the steering column module, and there is also a module for the heated steering wheel. So they communicate with each other through this network message, and then it's actually giving the power to the steering wheel to heat it up. So if you want to retrofit this, you need the wheel, which is actually not even so expensive. If you might think, it's around like $300 to $400. You need the heated steering wheel module, and then you need to program the APIM, and you need to program the steering column control module, and then you can basically have this heated steering wheel in every Ford which has MyTouch. And as you can see already, it is rebooted now, and you see we have the heated steering wheel option, which is luckily on because I turned it on before. I did the original programming, and then we can also have heated cooled seat now again. So that works all great. And when you go into the big screen, you now see also the difference here. Now you have the heated steering wheel and also the cooled seats here on both sides. So that's basically how you can program that. If you're interested in this, just give me a call. All the information you find on FordRetrofit.com. Thanks.